For this tutorial, I'm using Morphe Fierce by Nature palette.
First color I'll be using is Savage.
Look I'm going for.
Please don't judge my nails. I had to take my nails off so I could braid my
For my
son's
crease,
hair.
I'm going to be using the color Domination.
I just wanted to touch up Savage on the top.
Anytime I watch a makeup video, I feel like there's so much space for other people from their their eyelid to their eyebrow.
The glitter on the inner lid is going to be Frenzy. The glitter on the outer lid is Stun Wild.
And then I just love the look, and I'm just gonna go back over with that. I didn't add any more the deep brown, you know. I just make you feel lucky. Banana powder. I've had it for so long. I'm trying to get it in there. I remember one time I forgot to dust it off my forehead, and I'm taking a video after I done went into the store, and it just looks like somebody just powdered a donut on my forehead, and I'm just like, I was really out here just, you know. But I'm using my lashes, Harima Beauty. They're super reusable. This is going to be my 5th time, I want to say, wearing the pair. My absolute favorite. I love how these lashes look. Flutter, style Flutter. Then I don't really like to do my cheekbones for some reason, like under, like jawline. Every time I do that and I take a picture, it looks crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy.
For the blush, I'm using Ignition, still from the Morphe palette.
Alright, that's good enough.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos weekly. Please make sure you visit the website, harimabeauty.com. Shop all of the lash looks. And again, the look I'm wearing is Flutter. And lastly, like and subscribe.